So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very necessary session for all those who are going for Rashtriya Military School interviews. I hope student this session will be fruitful for all of you. हमारे दोनों चैनल PD क्लास और इंटरव्यू गाइड से आप स्टडी कर रहे हैं. हमारी यूनिवर्सल इंटरव्यू बुक RMS इंटरव्यू के लिए वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बुक है दोस्तों. उसमें आपको बॉडी लैंग्वेज रिलेटेड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन सब कुछ मिल सकता है. तो चलिए हम वेलकम करते हैं हमारे तनिष्क को.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
तनिष्क, here we have Urvashi, she will be participating in this interview. Are you comfortable?
Yes sir.
Okay. तनिष्क, आज मेरे पास आपके लिए बहुत से क्वेश्चंस हैं, पर सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि why you get motivated to become army officer? What is the reason?
Sir, I have got motivated by my father to be join Indian Army because Indian Army has very much facilities, and I also love challenges if we get posted on the Siachen Glacier or Poonch sector, this type of dangerous areas. So I want to become an important soul of my nation, and I want to do something for my country.
Okay. So who is your best friend, Mr. Tanish?
Sir, no one.
No one.
Yes,
So
sir.
you are your own friend.
Yes sir.
Okay. So you are the one who is helping yourself.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now tell me what your parents tell about you.
So my parents tell about me that I am very self-confident, and sometimes I got hyper that when I don't know the answer of the question, or I know the answer but I speak that in a very fast manner. So my parents correct me that time, and my parents also said me that I am a lovable boy and I am a best person in my family.
Okay. When you are going for real interviews, I suggest you should not use this word hyper. It is quite negative word.
Yes, sir.
Other than this, you can state anything what you are studying about yourself. Chale, now I want to ask from you, like, you are going for RMS, definitely you must be having some strong points in you.
Yes, sir.
Which are definitely helpful to you during cracking your written exams.
Yes sir.
So how you prepared for your written exams? Tell me the complete schedule, like how many hours you studied and how you prepared yourself.
So I have prepared myself in the first year. I have studied more than 2 to 3 hours in the morning.
Okay.
And after the lunch, after taking my lunch, I have studied around 6 to 8 hours.
Okay.
Then in the last 15 days of the exam, I have studied around 12 hours and 13 hours in a day.
Okay.
I have suddenly left sleeping. I did not sleep at the time of the exam time.
Oh.
I have going anywhere else to know things about myself, and I also try to do my best in the subjective manner.
Okay.
Because in 6th there is GK, but in 8th, 9th there is not GK, there is SST. So I have to take my juniors to borrow my books for some time, which I have given to them.
Okay.
For the studies, but I have to now borrow them from them
Okay.
to study.
And you studied very well.
Yes sir.
That's great. Chaliye, today I have brought lot many questions. It's a time to ask questions. First, Women Chief Justice of High Court.
Sir, Leila Seth.
Okay. National calendar.
Sir, Ekasera.
Okay. Area of Russia.
Sir, 17.1 kilometer square, million kilometer square.
Okay. And Dilip Trophy is related to
Cricket.
Paris of India.
Jaipur.
Okay. City of Seven Islands.
Sir, Mumbai.
Okay. Sugar Ball of World.
Cuba.
Okay. And tell me the line between Germany and Poland.
Sir, Neon Line.
Okay. Full form of BARC. BARC.
Sir, Babu Aeronautics Research Center.
Okay. UNICEF की full form.
So, United Nation Children Emergency Fund.
Very good. Founder of motorbike.
Sir, Edward Butler.
Okay. और USA के founder.
Sir, K. Columbus. Christopher Columbus.
और इंडिया के.
Sir, Vasco da Gama.
Okay. Okay, tell me the location of Jantar Mantar, all Jantar Mantars. Where they
So,
are?
first in New Delhi, second Jaipur, third Ujjain, and fourth Varanasi.
Okay. Sahitya Academy Award of given for what?
Sir, literature, and it was originated, it was
In the year
1954.
54. Flag Day is celebrated when?
So 7 December,
Right. World Cross Day celebrated.
8 May.
और नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया किसे कहा गया है?
So Samudragupta.
मिसाइल विमेन ऑफ इंडिया.
So Tesi, sir, I don't remember
You are
the
right.
surname.
Almost right. Tesi Shosham.
Yes, sir.
Shosam.
Thank you for updating my
And what is the missile man of?
APJ Abdul Kalam,
Complete name of him?
Abul Pakit Januddin Abdul Kalam.
Okay. Who broke the 0.10 second Mahi's record, and tell me the time period also.
So Mahendra Singh Dhoni
Himself.
Broke his record by the time period of 0.08 second in wicket keeping.
Right. Baseball ground name?
Diamond.
Highest Pathar?
Sir, Pathar of Pamir.
पामीर का पठार. Very good. Quit India movement कब start हुई थी?
Sir, 8 August 1942.
Okay. Full form of PWD?
So can you repeat?
Full form of PWD.
Sir, I don't know.
Public Work Department.
Okay, sir.
चलिए MIC की फुल फॉर्म बताइए और
Sir,
किस कंट्री से रिलेटेड है?
Sir, Military Intelligence Section,
Right.
UK.
बिल्कुल सही. Nokia company is from where?
Sir, Ispoo, Finland.
West Bengal is leading producer of what?
Sir, rice. Sir, rice.
Rice, jute, potato.
Okay.
All
sir.
these. Okay, define carphology.
Sir, study of maps.
Okay. And 12th July is famous for what?
Sir, Malala Day.
Right. Now I'm asking you one intelligence-based question. Okay,
Okay, sir.
IQ-based. Let us see. See, listen nicely. Here
Yes, sir.
it's a matter of listening.
Yes, sir.
There is a board in front of a mango tree.
Yes, sir.
I'm again repeating, in front of a mango tree,
Yes, sir.
on which it was specifying the tree. A girl and a man came towards the tree and want to eat mango,
Yes, sir.
but the man did not pluck the mango
Yes.
and go away, but the girl take the mango and ate it. Why man did not pluck the mango?
Sir, the board was specifying the tree,
Yes.
and it could be written as mango on the board, and if it is written mango, so it was MAN man and
Right.
GO go.
Man go, yes, yes. So man will definitely go
Yeah.
and girl will pluck the tree.
Yes.
Keep it up. Nice answer you are giving. Should I ask such one more question from you?
Yes, sir.
Let us see. See, there are 5 plus 5 plus 5.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the total?
Sir, 15.
But here the total is 550.
Yes, sir.
Now you can place one stick, anything. You can place any number
Yes, sir.
in between these three.
Yes, sir.
And you have to make it 550.
So I have already listened this question once back. I didn't remember the answer, but I think the answer could be the stick should be placed at 5 plus 5. The plus on it should be slanted, so it will be 545 plus 5 equals to 550.
Very good, very good. Good. You have stated the right answer.
Yes,
Okay. Now tell me, like you are going for RMS, definitely they will be asking you lot many other questions which
Yes,
I am
sir.
today asking, and I want my viewers also to prepare these questions also.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, like suppose if I ask you what are your strengths?
Yes, sir.
What are
Sir, as far as concerned, my strengths are as I am very full of creativity.
creativity?
Yes,
You
sir.
told the first word is creativity.
Creativity.
So tell me how you are creative with any example of your life.
Sir, I have generated electricity at my home only by 2 motors.
Okay. How?
And I produce and I also charge my mobile.
Okay.
So as it could be concerned, like I have tighted the both motors with the rubber and connected the both motors with the wire.
Okay.
And I just take other wire which will be charging, which will be plugged to the switch, which will charge the mobile. Then I started as the electromagnetic force in the motor, and when an insulator should be up and down in the magnetic field, it generates electricity. With the help of this, I generated first electricity. When the first motor generate electricity, it gives to second motor, which will rotate the wire. Which will rotate the rubber, and the rubber will again rotate the first motor. This will be round electricity concept, and it will produce electricity.
Right. Chale, giving chance to Ruchi. Have your question, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Tanish, tell about your district.
So, ma'am, I belong to Morena district, Madhya Pradesh. It is famous for its food items, historical places, and a wildlife sanctuary, which is known as National Wildlife Sanctuary or Chambal Gharial Sanctuary. And National Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for its red crowned turtle and gharials.
Okay. Tanish, what is endoplasmic reticulum?
So endoplasmic reticulum can be defined in two ways. It is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes on its surface and it helps to produce the proteins of the body.
Yes.
And smooth endoplasmic reticulums does not have ribosomes, which makes it smooth and it helps in the digestion.
Okay. You know, as you stated, ribosomes are producing proteins
Yes, sir.
in cell. Definitely, proteins may get digested also in the body.
Yes, sir.
Which part?
Sir,
Stomach.
our stomach.
Very good. What are fats?
So fats are the minerals which our body wants to work energy, because fats and carbohydrates give us energy, but fats give more energy than carbohydrates.
Okay. Now tell me, our coal minister, who is?
So our coal minister is. So I didn't remember.
Ashwini Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Textile minister.
So Piyush Goyal.
Railway minister.
So Vaishnavi Ashwini Vaishnav.
And sports minister.
So Anurag Thakur.
Okay. Now tell me the HCF of fraction.
So HCF of numerators upon LCM of denominators.
Volume of cube.
So volume of cube is A cube.
Formula of Pythagoras theorem.
H square equals to B square plus P square.
Okay. So you stated very well all these things, and
Yes,
I
sir.
have asked abundant of questions.
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me, like, what is your major weakness?
So my major weakness is, as I want every work in a perfect manner, for that sometimes my personal work hampers.
Okay.
And like an example, I get scolding from my parents for skipping my lunch in the exam time or
Okay.
exam period.
So are you doing something to improve this weakness?
Yes, sir. So I am focusing like firstly I focus on the other things also, not on my body or my personal things, but now I am focusing on both.
Oh, you are carrying your health also?
Yes, sir.
And the education part also you are not leaving?
Yes.
Very good. Keep it up. Proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.